Good morning students. Today I will continue with chapter 10 Geometry. I will explain exercise 10.2. Open your books at page number 143. Today you will learn about point, line segment, line, ray and types of lines. Now see beta, what is point? See, a point is represented by a dot and it is named with a capital letter. See here, it is represented by a capital letter. See a dot here. And what is its name? Point A. And it is represented by a capital letter A. See here some more examples of points. Point A, point B, point C and point D. If we draw a straight line from point A to B, that will be called as line segment. I will explain. See here. Next is line segment. See what is line segment? See here beta, a line segment is a path between 2 points, point A and point B. This is a line segment and A and B are the endpoints of this line segment. It is read and written as line segment AB or BA, right? Now see how it is denoted. See, this is a line segment AB or BA, right? And it is written as AB or BA and we have to draw a bar above it. Okay, this denotes line segment. Moreover beta, this line segment has a definite length. We can measure the length of this line segment with the help of ruler. See beta, this is a simple ruler is used to draw any line segment. Line segment has two fixed points, for example A and B, which are called as endpoints. Next is line. A line is a straight path that goes on forever in both directions. Means the line is a straight path connecting two or more points. Here we can draw n number of points. So many points are A, B, C, D, and if we join them, they will form a line, right? And we can extend it in both the directions. This line can be extended in right as well as in the left direction, right? A line does not have any end point. Okay, it doesn't have any end point. It can extend in both the directions because it does not have any definite length or fixed length. So it is denoted as, look here how we can denote this. See, it is extended in both the directions. How can we denote? A line, for example, this was the line AB and we can write as AB and double headed arrow. See, arrow this side and arrow this side means it can extend towards B and it can extend towards A also, or BA and this bar with the double headed arrow. See, in your book line is given this way, point A and B and this side arrow means it can extend towards any direction. And one more important thing is given here. See here, it is not a straight line and the line that is not straight is called curved line, having curves, right? Next is a ray. A ray is a straight path that goes forever in one direction, means it can extend in one direction. It has one fixed point and it doesn't have any end point. See, it has a starting point A and B can extend in any direction. See, it can extend up to any length. So this is a ray. If it can extend to any length, so we cannot measure it, right? It doesn't have any definite length. Now see here beta, the sun rays and the rays are coming from torch also. They have their starting point, they have their origin, but they can extend up to any length. See, ray AB and ray AC. AB, AC. Starting point is A and it can extend to any direction. Now see here, ray, definition of ray is given in your book. A ray is a line segment that extend indefinitely in one direction. Okay, means it has one starting point but it doesn't have any end point. AB is a ray and it is denoted by AB and this single headed arrow. Okay, it can be extended to any length towards point B. See this one, A to B. It can extend to any length towards point B. It does not have any definite or fixed length. Now here two rays are drawn here. Ray AB has starting point A and ray BA has starting point B. So here it is written ray BA is different from ray AB. Okay, it is different. We cannot say ray AB is same as BA because origin is different. We have to start, we have to write the letter from where the ray is starting at first. AB, okay, because starting point is A. Here BA because the starting point is B. Now beta, different type of lines are given here. Lines are of many types. Here are some examples. First one is horizontal line. See, the horizontal line is the line in the plane. It's a straight line in the plane that runs from left to right. And vertical line, again it's a straight line. And vertical line is the line which goes from top to bottom. Next is parallel line. Parallel lines are the lines drawn on plane surface, right? But they never meet at any point. They can extend, see the double-headed arrows. They can extend to any direction, but they can never meet, right? And the distance between these two lines will remain same. Throughout, it will remain same. Next is the slant line. It is neither horizontal nor vertical. It has some slope, slant line. Okay, थोड़ी सी ऐसे टेढ़ी at some angle. Now curvy line having a curve. Next, intersecting lines. These lines cross each other at a one point. Okay, these are the two straight lines drawn on a plane. एक plane पे draw होती हैं बेटे, and they intersect each other at one point, and this point is called point of intersection. For example, if I give name to this point like O, then point of intersection is O. Then wavy line. Wavy line has a series of regular curves. See, curves are here and this is wavy line. Right? Now let us solve question number 1. Question number 1 is observe the picture carefully and name the different lines. See, first one, A. See what type of line is this? Curved. B. Is it horizontal or vertical? No, it's neither horizontal nor vertical. It is slant line. This is C1 is, see, this is horizontal line from left to right. D. Two lines are drawn but they are at equal distance, so they are parallel lines. E, again slant line having a slant. F, two lines and crossing each other, okay, at here, this point, so these are intersecting lines. And this G having curves, so this is wavy line. H, from top to bottom, this is vertical line. Now question number 2. What kind of lines are shown by railway track, a tree trunk, the base of a blackboard, ladder leaning against a wall and a cross? I will show you. Now see here beta, chapter 2 geometry, exercise 10.2, question number 2. What kinds of lines are shown by a railway track? Now just see railway track here. Clearly they are parallel. One here, this line and this line. They never meet at any point. So parallel lines. Next one, a tree trunk. This is the trunk of the tree. What type of line is this? Yes, it is vertical line. Then next one, the base of a blackboard. Here is the base of blackboard. What type of line is this? It is horizontal from left to right. Next, ladder leaning against a wall. See, this is wall and this is ladder. It is leaning against a wall. So, it is slanting, having some slant, slope. Next, cross, one line, second line, and they are crossing each other at this point of intersection. So, these are intersecting lines. Students, I will send you the image of this exercise. You have to do this exercise in your book only.